Tusha. First free throw. Wala. Okay, second free throw. Jumpers ready. So, 51-40. Cardenas ngayon, didiskate. Pass to De La Cruz, to Lapin. To number 20, to De La Cruz, full set. Rebound kanino, nakuha ni number 13, Dizon. To number 12. To Carlos, to number 0. Rebound ngayon, number 23. To De La Cruz, to number 27. Short jumper, pasok. 53-40. Dizon ngayon. Dizon didiskate. Dizon, pass to 0. 10 to shoot. Starts with 3. Rebound ngayon. Foul committed by number 0. Holding foul.